How's it going, guys? Thank you for joining me on today's video. And if you've seen the title, you probably know what this is about. I am going to need your help with this one, guys. So I have decided that I'm going to make a how the iPhone 7 fares in 2019. And for making that video, I'm going to be switching to the iPhone 7 for, I'm not sure. I'm thinking 2 weeks, maybe more, maybe around a month. I'm not sure. Somewhere between 2 weeks and a month, I'm going to use this phone over my iPhone XR. So this is going to be an interesting switch up, and the thing here is I need your input on what you want to see. What is something someone who's buying something like an iPhone 7 in 2019 going to be looking at? Of course, they're not going to be looking for the best of the best. That doesn't matter anymore because that's not what this phone's about. This phone is priced a lot lower. It's not the newest, but it's still a pretty good phone. So that's what I need your help with. I don't know exactly what to cover in a video like that. So I want you guys to tell me what you would have to, if you were going to buy the iPhone 7 in 2019, buy it now, what would you think about it? Why would you buy it? Is there a reason that you would want to look at it or not look at it? Stuff like that is what I need help with. So I'm just going to lay out exactly what I'm going to do. I think Jan 1, I'm not sure, either the end of next week or beginning of next week or on January 1 or the other, I'm going to switch my SIM card into the iPhone 7. I've never actually used the iPhone 7 before. Previously, when I was on the 7th generation, I was the iPhone 7 Plus, and I actually haven't used a 4 like this sized iPhone ever since the iPhone 6. So the iPhone 6 I got, and I actually sold that and bought a 6 Plus shortly after that because I needed the bigger screen, the better battery life. So this is going to be an interesting way back because this is definitely a pretty big down from the iPhone XS Max and the XR that I've been using. So we'll see. Battery life is something I'm already worried about, but it is going to be what it is. So as I said, I'm going to switch over. I'm only going to use this phone. We'll see what it's like. I'm hoping to find things that I don't understand about the phone right now. Hopefully we'll be able to I'll be able to give you guys a good idea of what it's like. But as I said, I need your help. Give me questions, give me ideas, give me things that I could do with this phone to give you guys a better representation of what the iPhone 7 would be like to buy in 2019. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I know this has been a short one, but it is just a quick little wave for me to get this out there. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.